It's been about how many hours, Nick?
Ooh, it's probably been about 8 hours, I think.
How do you feel?
Good. A little bit sore, but a little bit tired. Looking forward to a snooze, I think. But the whole day was pretty seamless. I spent a few hours on my stomach, taking the follicles out of the back of my head, and then on my back for the rest of the day, putting them in the top. But yet to have a sneak peek before, but I think it's looking pretty good.
And how do you think the procedure went? Like, do you think it's like is it a smooth procedure? Do you think?
Yeah, very smooth. As I said, I was on my face down over here for a couple of hours, and they sort of numb the whole back of your head there, and then they take the follicles out that they're going to be using. And the nurses here, they line them all up in a tray and then pop them in the fridge, and then it's after lunch, had a nice lunch, and then on my back the rest of the day watching Netflix, which was quite nice. And they start to just work through putting the follicles back in the front.
Is it like a sense of success? Like, do you feel like already like there's a change already?
Yeah, I found it interesting feeling when they first started putting the follicles back in the front of my head. It felt like my receding hairline was starting to come forward. So it was like the beginning of it, and yeah, now this is the end of it, which is, if I can see it in your camera there, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah. If someone asked you about the procedure, if someone said to you, look seriously, like, tell me the truth about it, is what would you say?
Oh, there's a little bit of pain, a few pinpricks when they're putting the, what's it called? I'll start again.
Anesthetic.
Anesthetic. So at the start there's a few pricks, start again. There's a wee bit of pain with the procedure, just mainly when they're putting the needle in for the anaesthetic to numb the area. But once that's in, it's pretty short-lived, and once that's in, you basically don't feel the follicles coming out at all. It's just a whole numbed area, and then the same in the front there. A few pinpricks around the area, and then a few touch-ups throughout the day. Keep it nice and numb, but you're basically feeling nothing, and the follicles are going on. It's pretty surprising.
Out of 10, what would you rate them?
Who?
This operation, out of 10.
Out of 10, I definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. I think there's no better way. I think it's quite a crazy way of doing it, to be taking in one single day taking your own hair and putting that into the front of your own head. And that's going to be your own real hair growing there, which I think is a pretty special thing, with no cuts, or it'll be a couple of weeks of it doing its thing, but I think there's no cuts or stitches or anything like that. I think it's amazing.
Thanks, Nick.